In this video, we will talk about types of accommodation. Hotel. Hotel provides lodging, mealtime, and refreshment for those who may reserve their accommodation in advance. Condominium is an apartment type of individual dwelling units owned by an individual, but the management and service such as maintenance and securities are handled by independent company. Motel provides bedroom, bathroom, parking to a motorist room, and usually accessible from the parking lot. They are usually near the highway. Inns are lodging establishments catering to transients which do not meet the minimum condition of a low-cost or budget hotel. Apartment are hotels building containing several independent and furnished or semi-furnished apartments that are regularly rented to tourists and travelers for lodging on a more or less long-term basis or offering complimentary service to its accompaniments similar to hotel. Paradores are the old convents, monasteries, castles, or fortresses converted into hotel by the government. National Tourist Office. They are appeal to a tourist who would like experience the romance of the past 15th century. Pension are private or family-oriented tourist accommodation similar to boarding house or guest house. They offer food and lodging to a tourist, and they are well known for their informal family atmosphere. Bed and breakfast accommodation. These are houses with rooms converted into overnight facilities. These can be sized up to 1 to 10 guest room. They are also known as homestays. The owner of the B&B usually stays on the premises and responsible for serving breakfast to the guests. Hostel provides minimal amenities such as bunk bed and commonly shared toilet and bathroom. The traveler provides his or her own bedding. They appeal mostly to the young travelers. Campground appeal mostly to families who travel in recreational vehicles. Health spas are hotels and resorts which cater to individuals who go to spas or mineral spring for weight reduction or medical treatment. Private homes provide lodging to tourists when accommodation are not available during peak period.